Hello guys, so today's video is a under sink organizational video. I'm gonna do an intro, but for right now I'm just gonna speak over it. You might hear my kids in the background, but don't mind them, and if it's too bad I'm just gonna mute it and put a voiceover over it. But I recently moved and I thought it would be a super exciting thing to show you how I organize underneath my sink. Yes, some people might find this absolutely boring, but I'm OCD like that and I love these kind of videos. So without further ado, right now there is basically absolutely nothing in my sink. I also have that one right there, and then this is just the under the sink for my where I wash the dishes, because I have a dishwasher but I don't like using it. It takes too long and I prefer using my sink over there, so you might see dishes right there, but this is how my sink looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. And yeah, this side over here, if you guys can see it, there is just electrical stuff, so I don't like putting myself near that. And honestly, to be honest, kind of freaks me out, because what if water drips into those things right there? So I'm just not gonna touch that or go anywhere near that. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you the before, and I have this one right here too. I'm gonna show you the before and the after. To start off, I'm gonna start with this liner, and this is just non-slip. And honestly, I got it because I've seen it in other videos and I am obsessed with the shade. I got this one at Marshall's for $3.99. They had different sizes and different prices. Not bad. They have these at Dollar Tree too, but they're just like black, gray, or cream, so I went ahead and got this one. And the rolls in Dollar Tree, though they are the same, they are a lot smaller and thinner, so you would probably have to buy about 3 to get this amount. So it ends up coming out to the same, because I know a lot of people out there love Dollar Tree like I do. That's where I get all my plastic bags and stuff like that. So just letting you know, if you have a smaller space and you don't need this much, you can go to Dollar Tree and get them. So I'm just gonna basically cut this up with my scissors to line up to the size of this right here. So when I'm done doing that, I'll come right back. So it turns out that my kids were being super loud, so I'm gonna go ahead and do parts of this video with my voiceover. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my super awesome broom from Dollar Tree and sweep underneath the sink, because I did keep my dog and cat food in there, and my little Maxwell got in there and went into his bag and ate a bunch of it and made it super messy. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm also gonna get my Myers radish spray and just clean it up. So I went ahead and cut that up and measured the whole thing. I laid it down, and it turns out that I had I'd say like half of it or a little bit less left over. So if you guys go to Dollar Tree and get the one from there, it should be more than good enough. So you can go ahead and do that. These little Y bins, I don't know what they're called, they're from Target, and they range from $3 something all the way to $7 being the big one. And these are the ones that I use for underneath the sink. At the end, you're going to see the layout. I absolutely love these baskets because they help keep everything organized, and it's easier to find. You can assign one of them for each thing that you use. Like the large one that I'm going to be using right now is going to be my miscellaneous large bin drawer, and all this is what I had underneath my sink unorganized. So I'm just going to throw away what I need to throw away and organize what I feel like I'm going to use in the future. And don't mind my slippers. Those are my favorite house slippers. They go everywhere with me when I'm in the house. So there I went and organized it. And the longer medium sized one, I'm just going to organize the things that I use but not every day, which is like the ant spray, the Lysol for when the kids are sick and stuff like that. I don't have hardwood floors anymore, so I'm just going to keep that one back there. These little sponges and dish cleaning cloths I'm going to keep in that bin. Those white sponges are absolutely amazing, and they're from Target. I also alternate my sponges, and these are silicone ones from Marshall's. They're coming really handy and honestly save you a lot of dishwashing soap. Keeping my ExoTot little drain thingy, and then these sponges or scrub thingies in the back, because I do use them with products, so I don't want to keep them near anything that I use with dishes. Now, this bin right here are things that I use on a daily basis, such as the grease cleaner for myself when I clean, the wood spray, which smells absolutely amazing, another wood spray, and that's for my furniture. Also, I use Fabuloso because I love the way it smells on the floors, and I feel like it cleans them really well. And Windex, of course, for appliances or windows. It works really well as well. And my little lint roller, which will be quick to find if I put it on that bin right there. And some new products. I usually have a bin in my laundry full of new products, but the ones that I use constantly, like the Myers surface cleaner, I will keep close to me because I will go through them like Bobby does. But just kidding. This bin right here is the larger one that costs us $7, and I honestly call it my miscellaneous bin. I keep my random stuff like chalk paint, that for the carpet when I used to have carpet, and it was awful because I have pets, so I'm so happy I don't have carpet anymore in some of the areas. And my W240 because there's nothing that makes me cringe more than creaky doors. I also keep in there some random stuff like my cat's flea treatment and just random stuff like that gardening tool that's about to pop up right now. But yeah, that's my miscellaneous bin. On the next bin that I'm going to be showing is literally the stuff that I use daily. Like every time I go to the kitchen or anywhere is the stuff that I use daily. This is the surface cleaner from Myers and the radish scent. And then the other one in blue. I really don't like that scent, but I bought it. This one smells like Abercrombie, guys. It smells absolutely delicious, and it's from Method, and that is my disinfectant. I absolutely love all these products, and I use them on a daily basis, so I try to keep them next to me. But yeah, guys, this is my underneath the sink organization. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do like and subscribe for more videos like this and beauty videos as well. This is just the final picture. One more thing that I just saw, that little thing on the side, the right, is my trash bag keeper. I've had it forever, and it's from IKEA. It was like $1, $2, or $3, and it's absolutely awesome. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.